Hello everyone, so in this video, let us talk about an easy problem from Leetcode. The problem name is valid palindrome 2. So the problem statement goes like this, that you're given a string s, return true if the s can be a palindrome after deleting at most one character from it. So you can delete at most one character and you just have to tell that after doing that operation, is the string a palindrome? Okay, so now you can see that the constraints are pretty large and you have 5, so you cannot do this in O of n square type of approach, that you will try to delete every character and just check out that whether it is palindrome or not, because checking a palindrome will take O of n and deleting every character one by one will also take O of n, so this will not be done in O of n square. You have to do this in somewhat a better optimal way than that. So how can you proceed with this type of problem? The overall thing is that we just have to check that what is the character that is just causing a problem of this particular string to become a palindrome. That's the overall thing. If it is a palindrome, then it is good. If it is not a palindrome, there might be some character that is causing it a problem, that why it is not becoming a palindrome. So why not just delete out that particular character, and we just delete, because we can only delete one character, we just delete that character and just check that whether deleting that character helps us in any way. If it is, then the answer is good, as the answer is bad, that we cannot do this. That's the logic. Let us take the example of this ABCA. So A, B, C, A. Let us also take this example as A, B, B, C, A. Let us also take this as an example. Now, what you'll understand is that what is a palindrome? A palindrome is a string which reads the same from left and right. Okay, so let's say if I read this string from left, it has A, and from right as well it has A. So that is fine. So until this part, it is fine. Now let us check in the between. It is B and C. Now I have two options. Either I will delete B or I will delete C. Like I have two options because I can delete at most one character. So what I'll do is that I will just delete, let's say in one chance, the B character. So it will, if I delete B, then the remaining string will become A, C, A. And if I delete, let's say C, then the remaining string is A, B, A. You just have to check that if either one of them is a palindrome, then it is fine because we have deleted at most one character and it is fine. If it is already a palindrome, let's say it is A, B, A, we just move from left to right and just check out that, okay, this is same, this is same, this is the middle one, that is also correct because it is a middle one. So it is already a palindrome. We don't need to actually delete out any particular character. If you want to delete out a character, it should be the one that is breaking the chain of making the string palindrome. That is how, like, it is same from left to right, that is both of them are A, but now it is not a palindrome because it has B and C. So either one of we have to delete. Similarly, let us check from here as well. Let's say if I move from there here to here. Now what you can see is that like A and A are same, that is fine. Now in this example, let's say now we have a unmatched, that is here is B and here it is C. Now I have two options. Either I can delete B or I can delete C. Okay, because I can delete either one of them. So let's say if I delete B, the string will become A, P, C, A, and if I delete C, it will become A, B, B, A. Now you can see that this is a palindrome and this is not a palindrome. And just deleting out, let's say this B is a waste of thing, like it will not make us a palindrome. But if I delete out this C, then it will make this a palindromic string. This is A, B, B, A. So I hope you understand what we are trying to do here is that we will just move from left, like both from left to right. And if it is already a palindrome, then it is fine because we don't need to delete out any character. If it is not, we will find out the first point or of occurrence that is causing this to not become a palindrome and delete out either one of them. Okay, we'll just check out for both of the cases. And if deleting out any one of them leads down to a palindrome string, then it is fine because we have to delete out only one string, like one character, sorry. If it is fine and it is good. Else, if we have deleted a character and it is still not a palindrome, then the answer is false. If both of them don't lead down to a palindrome after deleting out both of the characters. That's all the logic and the code part. So let us understand the code part as well. So what we'll do is that we will take the string, okay, and then we will just take an invalid character. That what is the first point of invalid when we're doing this checking out. We'll move over the string till the half point, and we will just match out the first and the last, the second last, the third last. That is, it should be a palindromic string, like moving from left to right and right to left, they should be same. Okay, if they are not same at any point, then we find out the first point of invalidness. Okay, so we will just mark it as invalid as this particular I and break out. Okay, now if it is not hit at this particular point, like if there is no point of invalid, it is completely palindrome, then it is fine. If there is no invalid, if the invalid initialized to -1, If it has already initialized to -1, it is already -1 up till now also, which means that it has not hit any invalid point, then the answer is true, that it is already a palindrome, it is fine. If it is not, we have two options. Either I will delete out the invalid point, so from the left part, because it is moving from left to right, or from the right part. The right part is n-1 minus invalid. So how we are matching out ith element and n-1 minus I. Okay, these are the two extreme points, okay, on the same mirror image type of thing, center about the center. So we just have to check out that whether deleting out this character or this character from the string S will lead down any one of these string leads to a palindrome. So this check function takes that. It will just take the string and first delete out this particular character from the string, and then just check out whether the string becomes palindrome after deleting out this particular character. So we have just two cases, that either I'll delete out this particular character from the invalid. There are two characters that are not particularly matching out. So either I will delete the left one or the right one. That we are just checking out if any one of them, that is OR condition. If any one of them returns out true, that it will become palindrome, then answer is correct. If like both of them returns false, that either after deleting the left and the right one, both of them are deleting or giving out that they should not be becoming a palindrome, the answer is that it is false. That's all the logic. So now coming on the runtime, this is O of n. Similarly, we have checked again 2 times O of n. So overall time complexity is O of n for this particular problem. And that's it. We have not done in O of n square, and it's the most optimal way also that we have just done in O of n. That's the whole thing and the code part for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box of this particular problem. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I will see you in the next one. Keep coding and bye.